Hey guys, so we're here. I just want to answer one question today that was kind of from your homework number 1, is how do I construct a 135 degree angle? So this is our question. So let's just kind of answer that together as a class. I'll do this quick video for you. But basically the idea is to draw any reference line, and we're going to create a right angle. So I'm just going to pick some random point here. Okay, I'll call that point P. And I want to use my perpendicular line construction to make myself a right angle. Okay, so what we want to do is with the pin at P, we want to make an arc that intersects the reference line twice, okay? Keep in mind I'm doing this by hand, so it might not look the best, but I'm going to try to just give you the general idea. So if we make an arc that intersects twice, I'll call these locations A and B, okay? Just for the sake of talking about the 2 points. From A, right here, with your pin here, you want to make an arc around A. So you want to make a circle around A, and again with the same idea around B, without changing the size, you want to make an arc around B, okay, so that they intersect down here. Once you do that, just connect that intersection with P, and that is a perpendicular line, okay? So this drawing is really bad. I'm actually going to fix it just a little bit, just for the sake of the picture looking better, but this point should be over here more. So that is about as good as I will get it, okay? So that is a perpendicular line construction. So what we've just done is we've made a perpendicular line here, which also means we've made one here on either side. Keep in mind that this is a line, so these two angles are linear pairs, right? So my question is 135. How do I get a 135 degree angle? See, you know how to do a 60-degree angle, an equilateral triangle. You know how to do right angles, which is any perpendicular line. So your question is, can I piece together 60 or 90 or any of their halves, because we've also learned how to bisect different angles. And the question comes into play is 135 can be created by any 90-degree angle and any 45-degree angle adding together. So I already have right here a 90-degree angle. So I want to focus in over here and say, can I get this 90-degree angle to become a 45-degree angle? And the answer is yes. We're going to do it with an angle bisector construction. So with your pin at this intersection right here, you want to create an arc, any arc, around that point, okay? And then from these two locations, there's now one here, one here. Let's give them names just for the video's sake. I'm going to name them, let's go R and S. So let's call this R and this intersection S. So now with our pin at R, what we're going to do is we're going to make a circle around R, okay? We're going to make a circle around R. And with my pin now at S, without changing the size, I make a circle around S, and they'll intersect somewhere. If you do this nicely, again, keep in mind I'm just doing this by hand just so you can get the general idea. But once we've done that, we connect this intersection with this starting point, and that will be, this will be an angle bisector. So let's try to get a line in there somewhat neatly. We'll try to angle this correctly, and then we'll move it around. Let's see if we could just get the best picture possible, and that's good enough. Okay, so what we've just done is we've created this angle to be 45 degrees and this angle to be 45 degrees, which is what an angle bisector does. It cut the 90-degree in half. And what's nice is that this is the 90, and this one is our 45 right here. And if we add them together and create this angle, that angle is 135 degrees. So from here over is a 135 degree angle, and the construction is done. So again, just last minute advice. Anytime you're looking to kind of construct some numbered angle, just think about common angles that we know how to draw, such as 60, 90, 180, and think of how you can piece it together, either using those angles or maybe halves of those angles. But definitely a combination of skills are involved here, so hopefully this video helped, and we'll tune in next time. See you guys soon. Bye.